Welcome to our exploration of engineering disciplines. Engineering is the application of science and math to solve problems, shaping our world from towering skyscrapers to intricate technology. So, what exactly is engineering? At its core, it's about innovation and problem solving, combining creativity with technical knowledge to create solutions that enhance our lives. Engineering fuels advancements in every aspect of our modern world, making life more efficient, safe, and enjoyable. In this video, we'll journey through various engineering disciplines, uncovering their unique contributions to society. We'll delve into their history, explore their evolution, and showcase modern applications in fields like civil, mechanical, electrical, and more. Stay tuned as we dive into the historical roots of engineering, exploring ancient innovations that laid the foundation for today's marvels. Imagine a time when the wheel was a radical invention, aqueducts brought water to thriving civilizations, and pyramids rose majestically from the sands. Welcome to our journey through the historical roots of engineering. Ancient engineers, guided by curiosity and necessity, laid the groundwork for the foundational disciplines of engineering. These early innovators not only shaped their world, but set the stage for future generations. The wheel revolutionized transportation, aqueducts showcased early hydraulic engineering, and the pyramids remain a testament to timeless architectural brilliance. As we delve deeper, we will see how these ancient achievements evolved into the modern engineering disciplines that shape our world today. Join us as we trace the path from ancient ingenuity to contemporary innovation, setting the stage for monumental advancements. Civil engineering is one of the earliest engineering disciplines, fundamental to the development of human civilization. It encompasses the design and construction of infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and buildings. From the Roman aqueducts to today's skyscrapers, civil engineers have been solving complex challenges to connect and build our communities. Histories of monumental projects, such as the Great Wall of China and the Pyramids of Giza, stand as testaments to the ingenuity and enduring impact of civil engineering. In modern times, civil engineering spans essential applications: urban planning, environmental management, and disaster mitigation. These professionals are pivotal in creating sustainable and resilient cities. Next, we'll see how mechanical engineering fuels technological progress and innovation. Mechanical engineering is the backbone of technological innovation. It encompasses the design, analysis, and manufacturing of machines, from the steam engine to modern robotics. At its core, mechanical engineering harnesses the power of physics and material science to create tools that drive progress and industry. Historically, it gave birth to the first mechanical computing devices and locomotives that sparked the Industrial Revolution. Today, its influence spans from aerospace to automotive, shaping the machines that power our lives. Mechanical engineers are the architects behind energy-efficient engines and automated manufacturing systems. Their work ensures we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, making life more convenient and industries more efficient. Next, let's delve into how electrical engineering powers our future. Electrical engineering explores the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. From its early beginnings, this field has seen advancements that revolutionized our world. Milestones include Edison's electric light bulb, Tesla's alternating current system, and groundbreaking work in telecommunications by Alexander Graham Bell. Today, electrical engineering powers much of our daily lives, driving innovations in communication systems, power generation, and electronic devices. Modern electrical systems are integral to healthcare, entertainment, and more, ensuring reliable power grids and advanced medical equipment. The journey of electrical engineering reflects constant evolution and progress, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. As we delve deeper, we'll see how other engineering disciplines build upon these foundations to drive further innovation. Chemical engineering combines physical sciences, life sciences, and mathematics to transform raw materials into valuable products. Historically, it has rooted itself in processes like distillation, fermentation, and petrochemical refining. These early innovations paved the way for modern applications. Today, chemical engineering is indispensable across various industries. The pharmaceutical sector relies on chemical engineers for safe medication development. In the energy industry, they refine petroleum, develop alternative fuels, and enhance sustainable energy solutions. Meanwhile, in food production, they innovate processes to ensure safety and enhance flavors. As we explore chemical engineering, we witness a blend of historical wisdom and cutting-edge technology driving industries forward. Next, we'll uncover additional engineering disciplines and their unique contributions to our world. Aerospace engineering focuses on the development of aircraft and spacecraft. From the Wright brothers' first flight to modern space exploration, this discipline has pushed human capability boundaries. Historical milestones, such as the Apollo moon landing and the International Space Station's launch, showcase aerospace innovation's potential. Today, aerospace engineering includes technologies like unmanned aerial systems, reusable rockets, and advanced satellite communications. These advancements enable humanity to explore new frontiers, improve global connectivity, and understand our universe in unimaginable ways. Aerospace engineering continues to redefine possibility, driving us to new heights in the quest for knowledge and exploration. Computer engineering stands at the crossroads of electrical engineering and computer science, creating systems that drive our digital world. From the invention of the first computers, this discipline has seen monumental advancements. Early milestones include the development of transistors and integrated circuits. Today, computer engineering powers everything from smartphones to artificial intelligence, driving the digital revolution. As we delve into the evolution of computer engineering, we'll uncover its pivotal role in shaping the digital landscape. Stay with us as we explore the remarkable advancements in this ever-evolving field. Biomedical engineering combines engineering principles with biology, driving innovations that revolutionize medical practices. Historically, it facilitated advancements like medical imaging, allowing us to see inside the human body, and the development of prosthetics, transforming lives. Today's biomedical engineers create biocompatible materials for implantable devices and tissue engineering. From wearable health monitors to robotic surgery, modern medical technology continually evolves, improving patient care. As we move forward, discover more groundbreaking disciplines shaping our world and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in engineering. Environmental engineering is dedicated to protecting and improving our environment. It addresses issues like pollution control, waste management, and sustainable development. Initially part of civil and sanitary engineering, it evolved to tackle broader environmental challenges. Today, environmental engineers develop techniques to reduce pollution, manage waste, and create sustainable communities, ranging from air quality improvement to water resource management. By integrating advanced technologies and scientific principles, they protect our planet for future generations. As we continue our exploration, we'll uncover how these fields interconnect to drive both innovation and conservation. Industrial engineering focuses on optimizing systems and processes to improve efficiency, productivity, and quality across industries. Emerging during the Industrial Revolution, it evolved to incorporate technologies like automation, data analytics, and AI. Modern industrial engineers streamline operations, enhance quality control, and minimize waste through advanced techniques. These advancements transform businesses, making them competitive and sustainable. Industrial engineering continues to ensure systems and processes are efficient and adaptable to future challenges. Next, we'll see how other engineering disciplines impact our world, each with a unique focus. Materials engineering studies the properties and applications of different materials, driving countless innovations. From bronze and steel to silicon chips and carbon fibers, it has fueled technological progress. Modern advancements in materials science lead to breakthroughs in nanotechnology, aerospace, and electronics, producing lighter, stronger, and more durable products. Engineers in this field develop new solutions to complex problems, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Through materials engineering, existing technologies improve and new avenues for innovation open up. Materials engineering remains a cornerstone of technological progress, shaping our future. Software engineering defines the modern digital era. It involves the design, development, and maintenance of software systems, forming the backbone of our digital world. Rapidly evolving, it advanced from fundamental coding techniques to sophisticated methodologies. Initially solving specific problems with custom-built software, its scope expanded with technology. Today, software engineering creates digital tools we rely on, from operating systems to mobile apps. Modern development embraces methodologies like Agile and DevOps, fostering collaboration and improvement. As we delve into software engineering, we'll uncover how this discipline innovates and revolutionizes technology. Next, you'll see how systems engineering integrates these components into larger frameworks. Systems engineering designs and manages complex systems, ensuring component efficiency and effectiveness. Emerging from increasing project complexity, especially in defense and aerospace, it requires a structured approach to integrating subsystems. Today, systems engineering influences infrastructure development and software integration, considering systems lifecycle from design to operation and maintenance. By bridging different domains and disciplines, systems engineering fosters innovation and reliability. As we look deeper into engineering disciplines' evolution, it's clear that systems engineering holds complex projects together. Stay tuned as we explore more contributions of engineering fields. Nuclear engineering harnesses the power of atomic processes, generating energy, developing medical treatments, and advancing scientific research. Dating back to early 20th century discoveries, milestones include developing nuclear reactors and wartime atomic energy. Modern nuclear engineering promises safer, efficient energy production, improved medical diagnostics, and innovative research methods. Understanding history and advancements showcases nuclear engineering's crucial role today. From energy independence to cutting-edge therapies, its impact is profound. As we move forward, we'll see how other engineering disciplines evolve, shaping our world. Agricultural engineering combines engineering principles with farming, enhancing practices through improved techniques and machinery. Tracing roots to innovations like the plow and the cotton gin, it revolutionized farming methods. Evolving to integrate advanced technology, agricultural engineers make farms efficient and sustainable. Modern agricultural engineers design machinery like GPS-guided tractors, tackle challenges like water conservation and sustainable crop management, and innovate processes for precise water usage and better crop yields. Beyond machinery, it encompasses bioengineering, environmental protection, and resource management, ensuring sustainable farming. As we innovate, agricultural engineering promises to feed a growing population while conserving resources. Petroleum engineering centers on extracting and producing oil and gas, meeting global energy needs. Tracing origins to the early 20th century, it has evolved with advancements in drilling and extraction technologies. Traditional drilling methods have given way to sophisticated techniques like hydraulic fracturing and offshore drilling. Modern petroleum technology integrates cutting-edge advancements, ensuring efficient and environmentally conscious extraction processes. This discipline powers daily lives and fuels economies. Petroleum engineering blends technology and expertise to propel its sector forward. As we move forward, you'll see how these evolutions shape our present and pave the way for future advancements. Marine engineering designs, develops, and maintains ships and marine structures. Tracing back to ancient navigation innovations, it has introduced key developments such as the steam engine, revolutionizing maritime transportation. Modern marine engineering focuses on advanced naval vessels, sustainable energy solutions like wind turbines, and offshore platforms. Marine engineers ensure ships' safe and efficient operation while driving maritime exploration and environmental protection. As we explore engineering disciplines' potential, next, we'll discover how they transform our interconnected world. Stay with us as we navigate technological progress in marine engineering. The future of engineering is bright and full of promise. Emerging fields like nanotechnology, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence are set to revolutionize our world, solving contemporary challenges and reshaping our future. Nanotechnology promises advancements at the atomic level, revolutionizing healthcare, materials science, and manufacturing. Renewable energy solutions offer sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels, mitigating climate change impacts. AI is transforming industries from healthcare to transportation, enhancing efficiency and opening new realms of possibility. As we embrace these transformative fields, the future prospects for engineering are expansive and thrilling. Engineers will solve pressing global issues and drive progress. Engineering has shaped our world in countless ways, from ancient innovations to modern marvels. The disciplines we've explored highlight engineering's incredible breadth and impact, each contributing uniquely to society and environment. Civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical, and other fields showcase human resilience and ingenuity. As we look to the future, the next generation of engineers will lead, armed with curiosity and determination. Engineering drives sustainable development, enhances healthcare, powers technology, and protects the environment. To aspiring engineers, your work transforms lives and shapes the future. Embrace the endless possibilities engineering offers. Together, we'll drive progress and innovation. If you're inspired by engineering, take the next step. Explore educational resources, from online courses to university programs. Join engineering communities to network with professionals and enthusiasts. Discover internships and job opportunities for hands-on experience. The field of engineering is vast and ever-evolving, offering endless possibilities for innovation. Embrace challenges, fuel your curiosity, and envision your impact. Your journey in this rewarding field begins now. Learn, dive in, and become part of the transformational world of engineering. Believe in your potential to shape the future through engineering excellence. The world needs your creativity and problem-solving skills.